Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to enable biometrics in Okta Verify. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To enable biometrics like fingerprint or face ID in Okta Verify, what you need to do first is simply head over and open up your Okta Verify application and be sure to be logged into your account as well. And once logged into your account, what you need to do is tap on your three-dot icon on the top right corner of your screen, and then among the options select settings. And once you're inside the settings, what you need to do is look for an option that says enable biometrics or use face ID or touch option. All you gotta do now is toggle it on and your device may prompt you to authenticate using face ID or touch ID to confirm. Now if you're using it from the Android, simply open the Okta Verify app and then tap the menu icon or settings, usually the three dots icon. Find the use biometric authentication or enable fingerprint. Simply turn it on and authenticate with your fingerprint or facial recognition as requested. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.